Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this back to school eye look using all drugstore products. I use the e.l.f. bite-size quads. These are $3 and the eyeshadows are super pigmented and blendable. And we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. I'm using a Morphe JH31 blending brush. I'm going in with the quad pumpkin pie, and I'm going to take the orange brown shade. I'm going to tap off the excess shadow and then go in with my crease, making sure everything is nice and well blended. Going back in with that shade, I'm going to blend out the other eye, making sure everything is nice and defined and well blended. I'm then going to go with a Colourpop E16 blending brush. I'm going to go with that cool tone chocolate matte brown shade in the palette. Tap off the excess shadow, and I'm going to blend this into my outer V, bringing it up towards the tail of my brow. I just want to make sure that I am blending up. Sometimes you can just blend straight out and it just makes sure I look like a weird shape, but I am bringing that up into the tail of my brow. And here on the other eye, you can see how I'm blending it up, and it's just giving my eye a more lifted effect. With whatever is left on the JH31, I'm just going to blend out my crease a little bit, making sure everything is nice and well blended. In the I Love You Latte palette, I'm going to take that matte vanilla shade in my finger and I'm going to put that into the inner half of my eyelid. I use my finger because I feel like I have more control and I feel like it applies more pigment that way. On a Colourpop E16, I'm going to take that cool tone matte brown shade and I'm going to apply this between that matte vanilla shade and the outer V. Same E16 and the same matte brown shade. I'm going to apply this to the bottom lash line. I'm then going to apply a brown eyeliner. This is Grande by Colourpop, and I'm going to apply a skinny outer V wing. I'm then going to apply my favorite nude eyeliner to my bottom waterline. This is Super Bright by LA Girl. Then gonna highlight my inner corner with MAC Soft and Gentle Highlight. Applying some of my favorite drugstore mascara. This is Sky High by Maybelline. It looks great with just mascara, but I'm going to add false lashes because I like false lashes. So that's before false lashes. And then I'm going to go with Ardel Demi Wispie lashes. And that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.